Welcome to my channel. Thanks for keeping it on Ugandan Kitchen. And today we are making a dairy-free vegan chocolate cake. We are going to start by making our self-raising flour. With this, we add flour, baking powder, and salt. Then mix all that up together and then put it aside for later. This is the flour that we are going to use in this chocolate cake. We are not using milk, no butter, so that is why it is dairy free, and also no eggs, so that is why it is vegan. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius as you mix the rest of the ingredients. Once you are done with self-raising flour, measure 1.5 cup of self-raising flour. Add granulated sugar. Granulated sugar, it is like powdered sugar or sugar in fine particles, but not icing sugar. Then add your cocoa powder and mix your dry ingredients and put them aside. To my returning subscribers, thanks for keeping it on Ugandan Kitchen. Thanks for the love and the support. Thanks for the comments. They make me better. They make me to better myself and the recipes, and also like my channel to grow. And if it is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Then I added 1 cup of hot water. I used hot water to get that nice chocolate color because there is a way that hot water brings out the chocolate color nicely without having to use a lot of cocoa powder. Then I added vegetable oil. Make sure the oil you are using has no smell because you do not want to have any other smell in your chocolate cake. So mix until there are no lumps in there, and then we are ready to go. Pour the cake batter in a pan lined with a parchment paper, and we are ready to bake this cake. Like you can see, it is so easy to make. Very few ingredients and you are done with this chocolate cake. No milk, no butter, no eggs. So literally ingredients that you can have, that you can get at home, and then you have a chocolate cake for your family. Then you pat it down to remove those bubbles, to remove any air in there, and also to let it settle. Then bake until it is nice and it is ready. You can use a knife or a toothpick to check if it is ready, and once it does not stick on the toothpick or knife, then know that it is ready. And allow the cake to cool completely before you can think about frosting it or decorating your cake. You can as well like put it in the refrigerator as it cools. And then here we are going to be working on the buttercream frosting. I used buttercream because it is what I had at hand, but you can use any other frosting. You can use the cream cheese frosting. You can use the peanut butter chocolate frosting on this cake. So there are plenty of options that you can use if you want it to be dairy free totally with the frosting. So you can look for other alternatives that you can explore. And here I started with the butter. Beat the butter up until it is nice and creamy. Then here we are going to add in our cornstarch. Cornstarch, it is for that thickness and for to help it hold the butter all together, and then mix all that up until there are no lumps in there. Then we are going to start adding in our icing sugar. So icing sugar has a little bit of cornstarch in it. So add it in bits as you mix until you have firm buttercream. As you add it in bits and mix, your buttercream will start to firm up, will start to get together, and then you will see that it is ready for you to like add it on your cake to start using it. I used around 2.5 cups, but this can go up to 3 cups of icing sugar. Kindly subscribe to help me grow. Like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section. Like you can see there in the video, our buttercream frosting is ready. It is firm. Like you can see, it is ready to be used. So you can keep this in the refrigerator as well, as it also rests and the butter firms up well before you can use it on your cake. You can add any other food color that you would love to have in this frosting. Kindly help me grow by subscribing, and here is how you can subscribe to my channel. It is free of charge, you don't need to pay. So just type in Ugandan Kitchen, then come to subscribe. After you hit the bell and you have subscribed, go ahead and turn on your notifications. There you turn on all your notifications. Then whenever you watch any video, kindly help me like the video, because this helps me with YouTube algorithm, and my videos can be watched, can be put out there, and this helps my channel to grow. And also I get feedback from people who have tried out my recipes, which helps me to better my channel, better my recipes, and know what my subscribers want from me. Like you can see, I went ahead and baked another chocolate cake, same measurements, same ingredients. So I have two chocolate cakes that I'm working with right now. Before you start frosting your cake, before you start decorating your cake, level it up by trimming those edges, by trimming on tops, and then make sure that it is all leveled up before you can add on your buttercream frosting, or before you can start layering it up and then adding on other cake layers. Kindly help me grow by subscribing to my channel if you are new on Ugandan Kitchen. Like the video and leave a comment below in the comment section. Then we start adding our buttercream. We start frosting the cake. Make sure that the cake has cooled completely before you start adding on the frosting, because this buttercream has butter in it. So if the cake does not cool well, it will make the frosting to start melting, and those designs, though that nicely baked cake that you have started decorating, and then you will find that your designs get all messed up because of that heat within the cake that melts the butter with time. So also after frosting the cake, after decorating it, you can as well decide to keep it in the refrigerator for some minutes, such that it all firms up, it all comes out very nice, and then you still have those nice designs that you have put onto the cake. Then I used the cake crumbles to add or to decorate on the sides of the cake, and my chocolate cake was done. I made this for Eid, and it was a nice cake. We enjoyed this with my family, and it was my second time like baking a cake and then trying to decorate it like to this level. Perhaps next time I'll do more, I'll do better. So yeah, this is how the cake looked. It was so nice, it was so yummy, so tasty. Great experience, and I learned a lot from from baking this cake. You know, they say that you learn better when you are teaching. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let me know what you think about my recipes in the comment section below. You can check out my other recipes and let me know what you think about them. I have made cakes, different cakes, cookies, and then yeah, I have all the videos. You can decide to make this cake using your charcoal stove, using a salt method, and many other ways. Until next time, thanks for watching.